ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude.ai, and Microsoft Copilot to generate a storybook for kids between the ages of 2 to 4 years using the same prompt. And I realized major changes between these AI tools. Let's get started and see how it goes. We will begin with ChatGPT. I'll leave the prompt in the description just in case you want to follow along. The prompt we are using is to tell ChatGPT to act as an expert in storytelling and generate a 5-page storybook for kids between the ages of 2 to 4. So I'll hit the enter button. Then we wait for it to generate the storybook for us. If you're following along, you realize that ChatGPT has done a good job by generating a 5-page short and precise storybook for kids between the ages of 2 to 4. And each page has a title and then an image description in case you are writing the storybook. You can actually design this very well and put it in the form of a storybook just for kids, and you can make money from selling this. Over here, we will be using the same prompt. You realize that the content and then the structure is way different from what ChatGPT generated. And when you read through the content, that of ChatGPT's it sounds more like a 2 to 4-year-old storybook. Next is Google Gemini. We are going to input the same prompt and then click enter and see what it also gives us. Gemini has done a great job by generating a great content for us. This content is really good. And in case you want to, look at other content as well, you can click on show draft. Yes, then you can see different stories or different content, and you can use this arrow here to regenerate your responses as well. The last one we will be looking at is Microsoft Copilot. So I just copy the prompt and paste it here. Hit enter to see the response it also generates for us. Microsoft Copilot has done a great job by generating how our cover page should look like, how the individual pages should look like in accordance with the content. Okay, so Microsoft Copilot has really done well. None of the other AI tools has generated images for us, but Copilot has done so. Personally, I use Copilot and ChatGPT. If you want to know more about Microsoft Copilot, then do want to check out my next video.